Again guys, out on another test ride. This time we've got the Triumph XRX. It's the 800 version. It's a typical I want to say soft roader bike. Comes with alloy wheels and all the gadgets that you would associate with the Triumph. So let's take a look. So it's quite a biggish bike, this one. Physically it's bigger, certainly a little bit bigger than the BMW we had last time. Twin lights on it, 3 cylinders, so it's got a nice throaty sound to it. It's got the comfort seats on front and rear, and obviously with it being 800 it's got the power to get you out there. It's a little bit vibey, it's a little bit buzzy, but I think it's based on the Trident engine. Up on the screens, just take a look there, and maybe on the seat it's a little bit dark with this sunlight. So you get the normal TFT screen, got quite a lot of information on there. On this side you've got your buttons, and what I've noticed now is that on most bikes now it's a touch button. So rather than it switching left and right like they used to do, they basically just press it in or just touch it to the side. It's got a cruise control and a mode. So we've got quite a bit of gear going on. So it's coming with the adjustable screen. It's nice and easy, just put a little bit of pressure on and you can take it up or down. What I found is in the down position, most of the time I'm just looking above that screen. In the race position, that's ideal for the motorways to keep that buffeting wind noise off the bike. Another good pointer is the mirrors. When you sat on the bike you get a good view. They are a wide set, so you get a good view of what's behind you. So always good on the bike. So we're going to be taking this out for an hour and we're just going to see what it's like. We're comparing this alongside other bikes. Now this bike's fitted with the Arrow can, so it is a little bit noisier. So let's hear what it sounds like. Fairly healthy sounding bike. One thing I do like is we've got the twin headlamps on rather than just a single. Got the Brembo brakes on the front, and this is brake caliper on the rear. But all in all, quite a nice bike put together. Now the only downside I found on this bike, because of my size, is is obviously I'm only 5'8", so if you've got a standard seat we would be having problems, but with a lowered seat it's fine. Bars are a little bit wide for my liking, just influencing my back, and in this area at either side we're getting quite a bit of engine noise when we're at motorway speeds. The screen particular bike is up for sale, and it has got panniers and top box with it. So full complement of luggage. So there we go, Triumph Tiger 800.